Number one, do you know how to use the calculator? 5p3. You just type inside the calculator 5p3. How to type in the calculator? Like that. 5p3. That means you type 5, then the button nPr, then you type 3. 5p3 means you 5 permutate 3. That means they are all together 5 objects, but you only want to arrange 3 of them. So you just type using the calculator, then you tell me. What's the answer? 5p3, 8p7, 9p5, 7p7. Can you type out all this? Got answer already or not? Okay, got answer. What is the answer? 60, correct. 60. So we check and see. Oh, it is like this. Now, I did not use the P button. How to find 5p3? 5p3, you start from 5, then you go down 3 numbers. So you'll be 5, 4, 3. Multiply them together, you get 60. The next one is 8p7. You start from 8, then you 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 until you go down 7 numbers, multiply them together, 40320. Correct, being correct. Then if I want to find 9p5, so I start from 9, then I go down. How many? I go down 5 numbers. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I go down 5 numbers. So multiply them together, you will get 5p3. But in the book, they ask you to use this factorial divided by that factorial. If you can follow that way, you just follow that way. If you cannot, then you start from the number, you go down. See, you need to multiply with how many numbers. Okay, let me see. Correct. I think this one you know how to use the calculator. Now we have Li Ying, you read number 2.
In a bicycle race, 9 participants are competing for the first place, the first runner, and the third place. Determine the number of permutations for the first 3 places.
Okay, now they want to give prizes for the first 3 places. So how many boxes should you create? You want to create 9 boxes or you want to create 3 boxes to find how many ways of giving away the prizes, the first 3 places. So how many boxes are you going to draw?
3 places.
Correct.
3
You are going
boxes.
to draw 3 boxes. The first box is for the first place. Second box is for the second place. Third box for the third place. Okay. So how are you going to fill up? How are you going to fill up the places here? Now, the first
I
place, how many ways can you fill up?
9.
9, because they are all together 9. Let's say one of them is the number 1. So how many left for the second place? Already number 1 place taken up, then 1 person already used up. So you are left
8.
with only, yes, 8%. So let's say the first and second places already taken up. You are left with how many people?
7.
Correct. You are left only with 7. So using the multiplication principle, we are going to multiply all this number of ways. Okay. So if I show you like this, The 987 here, the 9 here, it means that there are 9 possible ways of filling up the first place. The 8 here means there are 8 possible ways, the number of ways, okay, the number of ways. Then this one, 7 ways of filling up. So you multiply these three numbers together, it is 504. Okay, right, number 4, question number 4. Li Ying, you read question number 4.
Teacher, not number 3.
Oh, number 3, sorry.
A stadium has 5 gates. Find the number of ways three people can enter the stadium, each using different gates.
Each using different gates. So you are going to draw 5 gates, or you're going to draw 3 people. This one is very tricky. Oh. This one is very tricky. If you use the gate, if you draw 5 gates there, is there enough people to go through all the 5 gates or not? Let's say 5
No.
gates. So you cannot draw 5 gates there, oh, because you only fill up the first three gates, are there no more already. So you shouldn't be drawing the 5 gates. Okay? So what you should do is, you see the person number 1. Now I call them person A lah, person B lah, and person C. These 3 person. Then the first person, how many ways can he enter the stadium? Let's say I am the first person. I come to the stadium there, I see, oh, 5 gates.
5.
Correct, very good. There are 5 ways of entering for this first person, he can choose the 5 ways. Then after I enter, let's say one of the gate number 1, then the second person come. Can he enter gate number 1 again?
No.
I already entered gate number 1. He cannot use gate number 1 already. So how many more gates can he use?
4.
4. Then the third person come. How many gates can he enter?
3.
3. So the first person A can use any of the 5 gates. Since he has used up 1 gate, when the second person B come, he has only 4 gates to choose from lah. Then okay, he enter one of the gate. So 2 gates cannot be used already. Then the third person C come. Then he said, only 3 gates left. So how many ways can he choose? He can choose 3 ways. So the numbers that I've written here, 5, 4, 3, they are the number of ways in which the person can enter the stadium. Using the multiplication principle, you multiply these 3 numbers together, then you get 60. Okay, question number 4. Can you read question number 4?
Find the number of ways to form 4-digit number from the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 if the digits cannot be repeated.
Okay, so now you are going to form a 4-digit number. How many boxes are you going to draw? Are you going to draw 4 boxes, or are you going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8 boxes? So you want to form the number, you form a 4-digit number, you only draw 4 boxes. Now, how many, okay, I draw 4 boxes. How many ways can the first box be filled up, this first box?
8.
I have only 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So 8 ways of filling the first box. Then the next box, how many ways?
7.
Now you tell me what is the answer. Straight away you tell me the answer. Use your calculator.
Wait, teacher. 1,680.
Oh, correct. 1,680. Very good. So now you know how to permutate the let's say you have many objects. but you only permutate a few of them. This is the way you're going to do, right? No need to use the what nPr lah. You just fill up the boxes, you will get the answer. Okay, no need to use nPr. Now, question number 5 is a